Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone, unlock it, and make sure iOS is updated so features behave predictably. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Accessibility, then Touch. Make sure Assistive Touch is off unless you plan to use it for an on-screen shortcut. It's optional. This first step gets you into the location where iPhone's manual brightness lock options and practical workarounds live. Next, I'll show you how to set a fixed brightness using Control Center. With your brightness set in Control Center to the exact level you prefer, move into Shortcuts to build an automation that preserves it. Tap Automation, then create Personal Automation and pick a trigger such as opening an app or a time of day. This ensures the phone resets brightness when you want. Next, add the action, Set Brightness, and enter the same percentage you used. Make sure to turn off Ask before running so the automation runs automatically. That's how you effectively lock the level. Finish by running the automation to confirm the screen stays at your chosen brightness. If the level still shifts, go back to Settings, right arrow Accessibility, right arrow Display, and text size and disable Auto Brightness or True Tone to stop automatic adjustments. If the shortcut doesn't run, check Shortcuts Permissions and that Ask before running is off. Then test again. Finally, make sure low power mode isn't altering brightness unexpectedly. These steps close the loop, so your brightness remains consistently locked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.